Hello, in this video, we will practice English the way we have our real life conversations using day to day use sentences and phrases. For this, we will follow listen and repeat method. It is simple. First, I will tell you a sentence and then you have to follow two steps. First step is listen carefully and second step is repeat. Repeat after me. Make sure you are speaking out loud at least 2 3 times. And this activity will help you with your English fluency and confidence. This way, you will train your mouth to speak English, especially day to day English. So, let's start. First sentence. Excuse me, is there a bus stop around here? Excuse me, is there a bus stop around here? If you want to know about bus stop, metro station, nearest market, or anything, you can ask like this. Here, in this example, I'm using bus stop. You can take the reference of anything, any market, hospital, pharmacy, ATM, anything. For this video purpose, I will take the help of bus stop only. So, how can we say, excuse me, is there a bus stop around here? Now your turn. Okay, after that, if you have to ask about the direction, like how to get to any place, then you can say, could you please tell me how to get to the bus stop? Could you please tell me how to get to the bus stop? And if you want to know the nearest bus stop, then you can say, could you please tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? Could you please tell me the way to the nearest bus stop? And if someone is asking you the same question, how can you respond? You can say something like, go straight for about 200 meters, then take the right turn at the signal, then you can see it. Go straight for about 200 meters, then take the right turn at the signal, and then you can see. Now your turn. And if you have to ask about the distance, like how far is that, then you can say, could you please tell me how far is the bus stop? Could you please tell me how far is the bus stop? Your turn. And if you have to respond to these kind of questions, you can say something like, it's a bit far, about 20 minutes. You can take a taxi or auto. It's a bit far, about 20 minutes. You can take a taxi or an auto. Your turn. And if you want to know the time, like time, how much time you need to get to the bus stop, you can ask something like, how long does it take to get to the bus stop? How long does it take to get to the bus stop? Your turn. And how can you respond to these kind of questions? You can say something like, it's not that far. It is about a 5 minute walk from here. It's not that far. It's about a 5 minute walk from here. So far, we talked about the sentences that we can use to ask direction, time, and distance. Now, suppose after that you have reached to the bus stop. Now you want to know about the bus, the details about the bus, like where is it going. Then you can use some sentences like, excuse me, which bus goes to the city mall? Excuse me, which bus goes to the city mall? If you want to identify a bus that is going to a specific point, then you can say something like this. Here I have used city mall. You can talk about any specific location or any area, but you have to frame a sentence like this. Excuse me, which bus goes to the city mall? And another way to ask about the bus is, excuse me, which bus should I take to the city mall? Excuse me, which bus should I take to the city mall? With the help of these questions, you will get to know about the bus number. Like this bus goes to the city mall. For example, someone said bus number 5 goes to the city mall. Now you want to know how can you catch that bus? Like where is this? Where can you catch that bus? For that you can ask something like, "Excuse me, where can I catch bus number 5?" "Excuse me, where can I catch bus number 5?" And if you are confused about the bus number, like if this bus is going to your destination, you can clarify by asking, "Could you please tell me where this bus is going? Could you please tell me where this bus is going?" Or you can say, "Excuse me, is this bus going to the city mall? Excuse me, is this bus going to the city mall?" And now, if you are confused, like if this is the last bus to get to your location, then you can ask something like, "Excuse me, is this the last bus to the city mall? Excuse me, is this the last bus to the city mall?" After getting into the bus, first thing you would want to know about the fare. How much money you need to pay to get to your destination. For that, you can ask something like, "How much is the fare to the city mall? How much is the fare to the city mall?" This will help you know the ticket price. And after that, if you want to know about the bus, like if you have to change any buses to get to your destination, then you can ask something like, "Do I need to change buses to get to the city mall? Do I need to change buses to get to the city mall?" And after that, if you want the conductor to know about your stop, then you can say something like, "Please let me know when my stop comes. Please let me know when my stop comes." And another way to ask the same thing is, "Could you please tell me when to get down? Could you please tell me when to get down?" And after that, if you want to know like where you have to get down, then you can say something like, "Excuse me, where should I get off for the city mall? Where should I get off for the city mall?" And last, when you reach to your bus stop and you want to get down, you can say something like, "I want to get down at this stop. I want to get down at this stop." So these were 20 sentences for you that you can use not only for bus stop but any location like metro, railway station, market. These are generic sentences, and I try to make a conversation around these sentences so that you can follow through. Try, repeat after me, revise as much as possible so that you can get comfortable with these kind of sentences. And now let me know in the comment section which was your favorite sentence. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.